Hey everyone, welcome to How to All channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account or Google account. So let's create this one. First, open any of your browser. If you have Mozilla or Safari, you can use any of them, but I'm going to use Chrome browser. Okay, let's open a Chrome browser. In the search bar, we have to type google.com, then click on go. Okay, now we can see in the right corner sign in button, so click on sign in. Okay, for creating a new account, click on create account. Okay, we can see three options: for my personal use, for my child, for work or my business. Okay, if you want to make a personal element, then click on for my personal use, or for business purposes, click on for work or my business. So I'm going to select for my personal use. Okay, now we can see there are many options. So let's put our first name. I'm going to put my channel's name, how to. Okay, last name, type your last name. All. This is just an example. Okay, so how to all. Okay, click on any blank space. Okay, you can see that username is taken. Try another. So we can see already someone make this one, so I'm going to add extra number 2022. Okay, now let's see, is it available or not? Okay, it is available. So now move to password. Okay, now put a password. There also I have to be same password. Okay, if you want to check your password is it correct or not, then you can click on show password. We can see that our two passwords are same, so now we can move on forward. Click on next. Okay, now they are asking me to verify my mobile number. Okay, sometimes it will ask you verify your phone number, sometimes it won't. So if they ask you verify your phone number, then you have to put your number. So I'm going to put my number. Okay, you can see that my country code is +880. So you have to put your phone number without country code. Okay, now click on next. Okay, on my mobile they send me a code. Sometimes they will call you, or sometimes they will send you a message. So they called me. Now let's listen what they are saying. What is the code number? Let's hear this. Okay, if they call you, they will tell you the number twice, and if they don't call you, they will send you message with a code. So if you get a code on message, then just type the code, and if you got a call, then also type the code in enter verification code. So now let's click on verify. Okay, now you can put an optional email for recovery email address. It is optional, it is not mandatory, but it is better to put recovery email address. If you lose your account, or if you forget the password, that time you can recover your email. So it's better to put recovery email address. So I'm going to put my recovery email address. So if you don't have any email account or any previous email account, then you can use any of your relative email address. In the below we can see month. It is birth date, so select your birth date. Now select your gender. Okay, it is almost finished. Now click on next. We can see they are asking get more from your number. If you like, you can add your phone number, blah blah blah. So we can skip this one. Now scrolling to below, click on I agree. Okay, our Gmail account is already created, so let's access our email. Here we can see some dot dot dot. Click on this and then click Gmail. If you have Gmail app, then you can click on open the Gmail app. If you don't have Gmail app, then click on use the web version. Okay, now we successfully created Gmail account. So this is how we have to create a Gmail account. Thank you for watching the full videos. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and if you like this video, then please click on like button. Thank you. Bye bye.